Welcome back. The oldie but goldie BMW E46 compact is getting some new grill. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And this is the new package right here. Let's actually see what's inside. Looking good, looking good. And as you can see here, the grill here has seen the best days. Somebody didn't know how to open my hood, so instead of asking, they just went and they yanked it. They just yanked it off, the overzealous mechanics. All right, so the grill is saying it's best years and it's time for some replacement. Pop the hood open. Closed it. Things don't always go smoothly when you're trying to record and get some job done at the same time. So, as you can see right here, still dripping wet right now because I just did some washing, right? Obviously. All right, so what we're gonna be prying off is clip right here. They all loose anyway because it's been yanked, like I said. All right, so you have the old grill and it has like a clip here, another one here, and then two other clips right behind there. Can't show you right now because it's hard to get to place, but you get the idea. Oh, forgot, on the side you got two other clips and supposedly another one behind there. All right, so get a flat screwdriver and pry it off. Oh, there you go. I always got my tools with me. I wonder what is holding all this together because all screws are broken off. All right, so we got one out. Hopefully everything goes smoothly as possible, which is usually never the case when you're trying to make a how-to-do video. And of course, pay attention to the camera. All right, pry this off. Okay, I believe the clips on this side are still pretty much intact compared to the other side. So as you pry off the clips, the grill is kind of like a two-piece unit, right? So the frontal part, in other words, gets separated from the back side. So I'm just gonna put the camera down now so I can get into it. So obviously that didn't work out, but I'm just gonna have to yank this apart. All right. So that's it, job done. Huh? Can we just roll around town like this, like a true gangster? Grill his car. Anyway, all right, one other thing I'm gonna advise you guys do before installing, make sure the new grill matches with the new one. And in our case, golden. Alrighty, moving on to the easiest part. The installation gotta be the easiest part because you already have the frontal and the rear part as one piece. So now all you have to do is just push it inside. Of course, not this part, but this right here. Push it inside, and I would advise the upper part goes in first, and then push the lower part inside. One down, and the second one as well. Take the second unit. Just remember to install the upper part first. Push in the upper part first, and the rest should follow. Boom. Easy peasy. And there you go. Check that out. Doesn't it look cool? Let me go pop the hole once again to see if everything works. Pop it open. And job done. And please, whatever you do, just make sure you're a responsible DIYer. Tidy up behind you. All right.